What's up, y'all? It's Truckerslife, and we back, baby. Had to take some time away from J Tuck, my boy from one of my YouTubers that I follow. I gotta cook dinner. I've been gone for 14 hours today. I'm tired, so I'm gonna do something simple. Oh, what am I doing? I don't need butter. I don't need butter. I'm so used to using butter, I just grabbed it. But I know I told you guys in my last video, we got some good news. I'm out of here. I am going to a new company. This is my last week with Venture. They just don't pay enough. It's nothing against my bosses. I actually like my boss. Jessica's amazing fleet manager. She's still learning, but it's the people above her that are the reason I'm leaving, because they don't have the miles. I need miles to make my check. You know what I mean? Man, I had the scare of my life last night. I ain't even gonna lie. I was at the truck stop, and actually I had to go use the bathroom. Stomach was messed up. I tried to eat fast food last night. Went to go to the bathroom, and as I'm walking out of the truck stop, damn coyote walking through the parking lot. Oh shit! Scared the hell out of me. Scared the bejeebus out of me. I couldn't do it. Ooh, Jesus, take the wheel. I stayed in that truck stop for another 20, 30 minutes waiting to make sure that thing was gone. That's ground beef. I'm going to use part of this ground pork. And I'm only going to use some simple seasoning, y'all. Put this back in the freezer. I'm gonna make some I don't know, I gotta figure it out what I'm gonna make with this, because I gotta use everything in there before I leave this weekend, because this company I'm leaving Sunday will be my last day with Venture, and I'm on a flight to Kentucky. I think it's Kentucky or Connecticut, one of the two. Kentucky or one of those Midwest states, to go to orientation. I'll be in orientation for 2 days, and then I'll be back on the road. They'll give me my truck while I'm out there, and I'll drive back south. Back west. Hopefully while I'm out, I'll be able to see my brother and sister in Texas, but we don't know yet. We'll see. But I know this company pays a hell of a lot better, because they got a minimum pay guarantee. And I got hired by the owner, not a recruiter, so I'm in like Flynn. A little bit of garlic powder. I'm actually using onion powder today because I don't have any fresh onions. I'm not buying any more groceries while I'm in this truck. So I'm just going to use a good amount of, I should use some minced onion. There we go. The Himalayan pink salt. Like I said, I'm not buying no more groceries while I'm in here until I get in my new truck. Because that truck is gonna be fitted with of course some white pepper, but it's gonna have a refrigerator in it. Right now I only have a freezer. I thought I plugged it in. So I'm actually sacrificing a lot with leaving, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta be able to take care of my kids, and I can't do it on this check, on this company's pay. So I'm just gonna cover it for a minute, let that fat start rendering, and then I'm gonna mix it all together, because this thing takes forever to get hot. But y'all, we back, and we about to get this dinner done. I got to get to bed because I got to be up early. So I flattened out a biscuit. As you know, I used the Pillsbury flaky layers. They gave me the wrong ones with my Instacart delivery. I wanted the regular ones, but they gave me the flaky layers, so maybe it's gonna come through a little different. Maybe it might come through a little more buttery in between, because you know how they do the layers. We're gonna take this mild cheddar right here. Take this and just break a third off, put it right in the middle. You know what? I'll take about half. There we go. Right there, right in the middle. Put that back on that one. And take the spatula and just scoop it on top. Like I said, it's something simple tonight. God can't expect me to do something extravagant no more. I'm not working for Venture. I will be coming back with my better dinners soon. Like I said, this new company pays more than Martin did, so it's gonna get better. Cause I'm tired of eating this easy stuff myself. I might have put a little bit too much meat. But let's see how good this dough stretches. Because it's layers, so it's not as elastic as they usually are. Yeah, I put a little too much. Let me put some back. There we go. Let's see if that works. There we go. And I'm losing layers and I'm folding. To be honest with you, as you can see, I might have to scrap this video. I put a lot too much meat. Take some off. Grab the spatula. So it's not grabbing the other dough. You gotta understand this meat is not the best quality. It's not the Wagyu that I like, that I've been able to afford it. I got a question for y'all. Is it a shame that my own family don't watch my videos? Answer that for me. Are my videos that bad? Because if they are, I can give up. Now I'm at that point anyway. There we go. I'm in Ely, Nevada. If anybody knows where that is. This is my way of making inexpensive dinner delicious. That's all I'm trying to do. That's the point I'm at with my finances. It's trying to make a cheap dinner better. Because now I know I cannot eat. I can't even test gas food. I won't do it. I can't. It messes up my stomach. I can't keep having nights where I'm in and out of the truck stop because my stomach's all jacked up. I want to do this one day with shrimp, but like I said, I can't afford it right now. I'm gonna try this with like a shrimp and jalapeno kind of thing. See? That one is done now because it's a flaky layers. Now the hard part is picking it up. See how it's feeling? spatula kind of get it from underneath. It's not sealing. That's what happens when you use the Walmart ground beef and ground pork. It doesn't seal correctly because it's extra fatty, so it's extra greasy, so it's stopping it from sticking and going together. Plus I overfilled it, so it was kind of my fault too. There we go, roast. Little one. You just kind of pinch it shut. It's not going to stay shut though. So we're going to take this one and lay it down. We only going to be able to do 4 at a time. That's going to be the fattest one. I'll tell you that right now. But y'all saw how I did the first one. I'll be back for the when it gets. I'm gonna try this one a little different. Let me pause that. I'm gonna try this a little different. I'm gonna put some butter on the bottom dough, so that way it doesn't stick to the. And I'm putting it on the sides too. At least the bottom half of the side. This is the side that's gonna go on the plate. To see if this works better. And then just flatten it out. There we go. Cheese in the middle. Put this leftover meat on top. Meat. We're not going to do the whole big portion on this one. See, both of them. It comes up a lot easier with the butter on it. Looks like it worked better putting the butter on it. Let's see when I go to seal this part, seal this side. Yep, worked a lot better. See? And then just pinch it as I pick it up. That one worked a lot better, and then just off center that one. There we go. So I know now what to do. Oh, my eyes. And y'all, we'll definitely be back. What's up, guys? It's Truckers Live, and we back. Let me pause this real quick. And I'm about to get this last biscuit done, which is going to be with shredded cheese. I got to flatten it out like I do all of them. Oh, I forgot to put the butter. Forgot to put the butter. this is shown to be very good. I gotta butter the bottom. I'm gonna flip it over right now. Hold on. There we go. Flip it over and we'll finish spreading it right now. I want it wide. Because I put enough butter on here, it's definitely not going to stick. Oh, that one's got a hole. Never mind, just fill it up. Pat it back down. Oh, there we go. We're going to put this side on the bottom, okay. And I can actually flip this over and then do it again. See, it's still got a little slit in it, but we ain't gonna stress about that. It's got enough dough to seal it. Okay. Grab the cheese. This is the Kraft Mexican blend, which is actually, other than the straight mozzarella, my favorite blend right here. Because I want that elastic, I want that cheese pull when I bite into it. So good. Y'all see the slits right here at the bottom of the cheese. So I'm going to spread it out a little bit more at the top, which just makes the top thinner. As you can see, it ripped right there again. But it's fine. I'm about to work this out. Fold it over. And just seal it on top. You got to smash it in pretty good so it seals. And I'll show y'all what the first batch look like when we get done with this one. So the first batch is already done. This is the second batch. Just pull it over. Around. I came up with a little modification of the mill. Did you see that one's kind of popped open and just kind of smoothed it out a little bit while it's on the bottom. The last one, it goes right in the corner right here. And then pull this in the front, put some garlic powder on top. Grab some parsley, put that on top of that. You got to shake it pretty good because it don't come out really easy on the parsley part. There we go. And now, y'all gonna see the first batch Here's the first batch. Perfectly golden brown. And then this one goes in. Put it on 325 and let it cook for about 15 minutes. 10 minutes will be fine. So we're gonna go back here. I was gonna put potato in it, but I decided not to. That means this got butter on it. I just wanted to get the butter off the knife before I threw it away, so I put it on the last one. It is what it is. Watch these cheese pulls and we be done now. And actually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna put these on top of these ones and then put it back in. There we go. So those don't get cold. And y'all, it's Trucker's Life. Hey, we'll be back. Hey, we about to go in and do a taste test. Let's see how this goes. Let's do it, y'all. Hey, we got a taste test. You want one, bro? It's a calzone that I made in my truck. This is made in my truck. This is how I promote my channel.
Yeah. It's not bad for being made in a semi.
Yeah. It's balls.
Definitely better than microwave food, that's for sure. What's your YouTube channel?
It's Truck Cooking with Trucker's Life.
Oh yeah. Check it out.
I show people how to make different meals. I've done seafood boils. I've done shrimp tacos, lasagna, all kinds of stuff. All made in my truck.
We're gonna have to check it out. We live on the road.
So do I.
We're not like semi-truck drivers. We all got CDLs, but we actually run the rig. So.
Oh,
We
okay.
live in hotel rooms.
Hey, and the thing is my channel shows you how to do it from the beginning to the end. It's not about, just TikTok where I just throw everything together and then the end. No, these are like 20, 30-minute videos.
I used to carry a hot plate with me.
But y'all see, they eating all of it. They ain't wasting none of it.
Oh, this is good, man.
There's one more left. We're going to get it. We're going to grab it.
Better get out of there, bro.
Hey, he said he the one. Here y'all go. Hey, that's dinner for y'all. Hey, this is how, like I said, this is how I promote my channel. This is by having random people. I'm at Love's in the middle of Nevada, and I'm from LA.
Really? Oh, man.
I just dropped the load off in Las Vegas. I did almost 700 miles today. And still, because I can't eat fast food. I don't have a gallbladder, so I tried to eat fast food last night because I was too tired to cook. Nope. I was on the toilet for about 3 hours last night. I had people knocking on the Flying J door, bathroom door, or the stall door.
You alive in there?
In Barstow. And I was like, nah, I can't do this no more. Because I don't eat fast food. That's why I started my channel, because I have a culinary degree. And that's why I want to show other drivers how they can do it.
What do you use to cook with?
Tonight I used my skillet that I bought at a Love's about a year ago. That plugged into the cigarette lighter.
Really?
And then I have a 7-in-1 that plugged into my, huh? Yeah, my inverter. And because I have a 1500 watt inverter. That's it. In my truck. I have a TV hooked up to it. I live out of my truck. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. Because nowadays most companies have inverters in their trucks. So you just plug it in and follow my channel, and you'll have the same thing I cook every night.
We should make that.
Say that again. Say that again.
I said we should make that.
Actually, you want to know something? I've made a lot better dishes on my channel.
Really? Yeah,
I can show you right now. Let me end this video and I'll show you some things I've made.
What is it?
Truck cooking with Truckerslife, and you'll see it. It'll pop up. It didn't pop up. What the hell? There it is, right there.
Cool.
That's one of my
shit.
dishes right there.
See,
See?
bro?
You see my ugly face? And everything is from scratch.
Fuck yeah.
Like tonight, only thing that wasn't from scratch is the bread on the outside. It's Pillsbury dough
Oh, okay.
biscuits.
All right. Shit, my wife uses that same like Pillsbury dough to make homemade pizzas.
Oh, okay. Well, let me end this real quick. Hey y'all, this Trucker's Life. Hey, I think that's a success. And we out.